Hello there, welcome to EarthRhey Healing. We're just opening the space here and we're just going to see what comes through. Release. Okay. Okay, I feel like something is very heavy on someone's mind right now. I can feel tension in my upper shoulders and my neck area. And I feel like if I do breathing exercises, if I move my arms and my shoulders and maybe do head rolls, that starts a release process. There's a lot more that goes into this though. But I feel like that practical movement, that practical thing of movement will help with the beginning of releasing something. Maybe this is as simple as you're working too much. I'm hearing somebody's working too much. You're working too much. And it is taking a toll on your body. And I can see energy is stuck in the body, causing pains, causing discomfort. And I'm hearing ascension symptoms, but it's not what it is. It's from not moving your body. It's like you're moving your body too much, maybe at work, and then you're not moving it consciously to release the energy. I hope that makes sense. Let me see what else comes through here. Okay, so somebody ground. I was going to say somebody needs to ground, but that's almost too literal here. They're showing me the smoky quartz, like the actual smoky quartz. And I'm using the stone, I'm using the crystal to run frequencies in my body. That's what they're showing me. Okay, somebody knows what running frequencies means. I'm not going to get into that. You know what it is. Somebody knows what that is. You need to start doing that on yourself. And I'm hearing before you do it on others. So there's some kind of beginning here. Like maybe you're starting to learn about energy or energy healing or something like that. Yeah, I can see you running frequencies with crystals. Somebody's holding a crystal, like you're holding a crystal, and if there's a body in front of you, you're running the crystals, you're running the frequencies. Releasing energies. Do this on yourself. Run frequencies on yourself. And don't forget to ground. So I'm getting don't forget to ground. When you do energy work on yourself, somebody's forgetting to ground. So everybody does different things. Like some people don't ground at the beginning. They just open up. And that's fine. I'm not telling anybody what's right or wrong. I've worked with enough people to know that everybody knows their own energy, and they usually know what they can handle. But somebody's opening up, wide up, but they're not grounding. So there is like a literal message of grounding here also. Yeah, I'm seeing the frequencies again. I'm seeing frequencies in my mind's eye right now. I don't get actual visions all the time. I'm claircognizant. but I'm seeing frequencies in my mind right now. They're showing me frequencies, and I can actually run the frequencies in my mind. So somebody does that. Somebody's doing that. You're running frequencies in your mind. Do that for yourself. Do that for yourself, and then do it for like the earth, if that's your thing. Nature's cycles. Malachite. I am getting the heart here because now it's like I'm tuning in to the green over here. The green malachite is for like your physical heart. There's physical heart issues here. Who has palpitations? There's palpitations here. There's something about connecting with nature here. It's not just go outside and sit and heal with a tree, though. It's like watching, observing, seeing, understanding what is happening in nature. So with this comes like elementals and the elements. I can see someone transmuting energy out in nature. I can see someone healing themselves out in nature. Like, say I'm like releasing through my sacral or my solar plexus. I can see you out in like, it's not a foresty area. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but they're showing me I'm in like a meadow, and there's like a forest around me, and the sun is out. There's nobody around. I'm there, but I can see animals. There's like a deer, there's a rabbit. So it's like they're showing me I'm in nature, and I'm going through the process. I'm really feeling my emotions. I've already done work. It feels like I've already done work. You've already done work on this. Maybe it happened years ago. Maybe it's from a past parallel life. You've already worked on this. So now we're here, and it's just like I'm pulling out cords related to this, and I'm purging, and maybe I'm crying. Maybe I'm even vomiting. That's not, I'm not telling you to do that, and maybe I'm spitting, like I'm releasing. Nature is helping, like I'm transmuting that into light using the earth, because the earth is me. They're showing me the stars though too. The stars are also me. And in this wide open area that is like a meadow, that's why they're showing me like a meadow. I'm looking up at the sky. It's like a combination. I'm seeing like a figure 8, and you're right in the middle. Like the top is like the stars, the bottom is the earth, and you're like transmuting this pain into light, into love, into something that is good for you. You've allowed this. Finally, I'm hearing you've allowed this. So maybe you've gone through this. Maybe you're about to go through this. I feel like they're for these codes for release. Yeah. Okay, so take a deep breath. Shiana trokutuguma ndrakietako umpratiki. Shiana aratukuma trati shiana atratukuma. Hiada aratukum. 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 Oh, shikiana aratukum orataka. Yana arutukuma. Yana kurutukum shiana atrakutukuma. Hiana arutukuma nia shiana atrakutukuma. Rana dikianoko. Place your hands over your heart. Haratikian kurutukuma drakishiana trakutukuma. Na shianaratukumura kamura ianaratukuma ishikianaratukum ishianaratukum trakianokumua trakiantakumua ratishianaratukum shianaratikia atukumurtukuma. Thank you so much for being here. If you want a personal session, that link will be below, and I will see you next time.